There's a tow hook. And 2 tanks for the gas. And a audio system that's not original. CD charger, the first one ever made. The Sony CD charger, new version. Original air conditioning and original phone used in the 60s and the 70s. Automatic gear with floor shift. It has wood on the windows. And on the side. The glass is tinted. Normally you have white glass. This one has green glass. Double armrest and seat belts also. Has pneumatic locks, so when you close, all the door will lock with air. Central locking. Original leather. Headrest for in the front and in the back. Reading lights. It also has footlights, so in the dark you can see where you get in. And it has a timer, so after you step in, it slowly gets off. This one is optional, so the sun cannot get between the mirror and the glass, but also in the dark you can put it up, and then the lights are not too bright. This one is for the air suspension. When you pull, the car gets up, and when you push it down, the car gets down. This one is the interval for the windshield washer. You can hear it click. If you turn, it go faster. So it goes slow, more slow. The foot pedal is for washing the screen. If you press, the liquid go to the screen and the wipers go on.